Hey everyone, this is a three-part combination problem. A shipment of 10 microwave ovens contains 3 defective units, and how many ways can a vending company purchase 4 of these units and receive all good units? So we have 7 good units, and we have 3 defective. So to have all good units, we need to have 7, and there's going to be 4. Oh, there's not 7 good. There's 4 good. There's 4 good. There's 7 good units. Sorry. So we have 7 good, and they want all good units. So that would mean that we have 4. 7 choose 4 because they want to purchase 4. And that's going to be 7 choose 4, which equals 7 factorial over 4 factorial. This would be 3 factorial. And that's going to equal 35 ways. Now, 2 good units means we're choosing, from the 7, we're choosing 2 times, we have 3 that we can also choose 2 from. So this is our counting principle. We can choose 2 from the good ones. That's your M ways. And we also can choose 2 from the bad ones, since we only want 2, but we still have to choose 4. So the 2 plus 2 equals 4. So that's going to give us, if you put in the calculator, you can do it the long way. 7 factorial over 5 factorial times 2 factorial times 3 factorial, because there's 3 defective. We're still choosing 2, and that would be 1 factorial. That equals 21 times 3, which equals 63 ways. Now this last one is the one that confuses. It's kind of confusing. We want at least 2. So at 2, we already know that 2 is going to be 63. So we want 2 or 3 or 4. And that means 2 plus. That means you're adding these up when you see that or there. So we're going to do, if we get all 4, that would be 7C4. Okay, or we could have the 3. We did the 4 already. The 3 would be 7C3 times 7 choose 1. So 1 could be bad. So that's your 3. And then the 2 is the one we just did, which is 7 choose 2 times 7 choose 3 choose 2, sorry. Now we already know the first one was 35. This one's going to be 35 times 3, and we already know that we already did this one. That's 63. So we're going to add all that up, and you get 203 ways. All right? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.